So the program age .cc prompts the user to input today's date and his or her birth date, then calculates and displays the user's age. The program utilizes user-defined function. Dates are entered in integer format for month and year, and age described in months and years displayed. Use correct preprocessor directives for input and output. Ano yun? Sharp include IOS string using namespace std. User-defined function. The function get value returns an integer, so it will be an integer get value with a parameter string message, because we will prompt the user. I will copy this and we will put this where is it? Here. And there's this declare variables. Int value cout and cout message cin value sorry cin value and then return value. Now tapos na tayo sa get value. Ayan. Sa function ng get letter, dito yung sa try again. So get letter ito sa character value, and so char get letter without parameter string message, because we will also prompt the user. So char get string, then declare variables, declare value, and so char letter, any what will you put this? It could be any word that suits you. Prompt the user, cout to message, cout message cin letter, and then return the letter. And tapos na tayo sa ating mga functions. Dito na tayo sa main. Assign, magawa na ng variables and declare variables. Nakasulat na naman po sa declare integer variables this year, this month, year, month, each year, and each month. And declare character variable again to indicate if the process is to continue, and para sa try again mamaya. Car again and again. Okay, so assign to this year the value. So this year is equals to get value, and then the prompt, enter your birth year. And so assign this month to get value. Okay, this month to get equals to get value, and then the prompt. Oh no. Birth year, no. This year. Enter today's 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 year, not birth year. Yeah. So this is also today's month. So we're done. So we will do all of. I don't know how to use the while, so I will use do rather than while. So it will suffice later. A year. Now we assign the year. So year is equals to get value. So enter your birth year, your year when you were born. Yeah. So then assign the month. I will just assign to month. Yeah, gamit tayo ng magandang intention para malinis tignan. Get value. Enter your birth month. And assign the age value minus year. So age year is equals to this year minus year. Yeah. Test to see if this month is less than a month. If true, subtract 1 from each and add 12. So mayroon tayong condition. If this month is less than month, each month is equals to this month minus month. So each month plus 12. So each year is equals to each year minus 1. Pag-reviews ako na po kasi 15 minutes lang yung ano dito eh. So dito na tayo. Else if this month is greater than 1, each month is equals to this month minus 1. I think that's correct. So assign the again value. So later we will do that also. We will just display. I think this is wrong. I think still here. Yeah. Mention display the age in years. So see out. You are the each year years old and each month age, month, RS, yeah, I think that's correct now. Now we must have a new line here para magandang tingnan. So dito sa dulo, dito natin gagawin yung try again. So dual condition ginamit ko. To lower tapos get letter yung function natin kanina gagamitin. Do you want to enter do you want to try again? So if you just click yes or no or y and so this is it. I think we're correct. Equals to y. I think that's wrong. Wait, so we'll try to run. Just save it to desktop. Each problem. Hope there's no error. And there is one this year. What happened? Missing character. So sorry for the cut. I just look for the error. So ang error natin ay walang this one. Yeah. Here also, sinasanay ako sa laboratory na mas advanced yung C++ niya. So, yeah. Hope there's no error. We'll try to run. Enter today's year, 2016, January. My birth year is 1998, and my birth month is January. Oh, why is that? There's an error again. I'll just post. So I did find the error, and we must assign this is equals to 0 para hindi compare sa trash value. So I'll try to run, or ayusin din natin yung pag-cout natin. Enter today's month, enter today's year, ito, walang n, tingnan natin para maayos. So 2016, today's month 01, my birth year is 1998, enter your birth month 01, and I'm 18 years old. Do you want to try again? Yes. I want to put my mother's birth year, 1975, and August. So he's 4 years old and 5 months. So do you want to try again? No.